Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. We will be covering some basics on how to log your child into Clever. So first things first, you're going to go ahead and search for our McCabe District website. If you type in www.muesd.net, it'll take you to this page here. You'll go ahead and scroll down and there should be a tab here that says Distance Learning. When you click on that, it'll redirect you to our distance learning site, and there is a tab here that says links. If you click there, it'll then redirect you to our Clever link. So once you click on Clever link, then you should see this website here. Now please note that one of the biggest advantages to using our district website is that once you click on Clever login, then it'll register the school. If you do not go through the district website, then this will be an additional step that you will have to take before logging your child in. So once you are here and you do notice that it says McCabe Elementary School District, you're going to go ahead and sign in with Google Student Login. Now you will sign your student in. Please note that this information will be provided to you by your teacher. I'm going to go ahead and use a sample student just so you are able to see what that'll look like on your end. So once we have that, you'll click next, then comes your password. Once you finish the password, then you'll see your child's Clever page. Now, a few things to note here. If you have a child who is in junior high, under teacher pages, you will probably more than likely see that you have multiple teachers here, and that's just because each teacher teaches a specific subject. So they can access each teacher's websites and or apps that they're using in class. If you are in the primary grade, so if your child is in the primary grades, then you'll see, like this student, there's only one option here because I am his only teacher. So if I were to click on my teacher page, then here you'll see that I've already went ahead and uploaded my Google Classroom along with my Zoom link. So one of the biggest benefits with Clever is if I just click into Google Classroom, it'll take me directly to Google Classroom. If I click into Zoom, it'll take them directly to Zoom, where they will be in the waiting room to access their Zoom meeting. If we go back, what's on the main page is just different apps and resources that the district has already went ahead and put in place for your child. Clever is a great tool to use just so we don't run into, I forgot my child's username, I forgot my child's password. You only have to remember their one-time login information, which will again be provided by their teacher. After that, everything is accessible with one click. I hope you have found this Clever tutorial helpful. Please keep in mind that when your child is finished with Clever, go ahead and sign them out. And that's all there is to know about Clever.